Welcome to Newington Explainers.
We're talking about mass.
Today we'll be working in grams and kilograms.
Kilo is the short word for kilogram.
A kilo is 1,000. A gram is of course a gram.
Let's go prove a kilo is 1,000 grams. This is a weighing scale.
This is a 1 kilogram weight.
These are 500 grams and 100 grams.
So I'm going to put this in here.
And I'm going to put this in here. 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. This proves that 1,000 grams weighs 1 kilogram.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.